Hi, I'm Katrina from Dosco Sport. Are you a proud owner of a Mossberg 500 and would like to have pistol grips for the forend of your prized gun so that you can have more control and stability? Do you want to have a gun grip for your gun so that you can have a sick look to it that will surely leave your friends envious and awed? If you're looking for a pistol grip for your gun, then you're definitely on the right website. We would like you to know about the Forend pistol grip. This pistol grip will fit any standard Picatinny rail that you have. With this baby, you can give your gun a great look, and this pistol grip offers 5 positions which gives you extra support when you're shooting your gun. Easily acquire and reacquire your target after you fired your gun. This baby is made of DuPont extreme temperature glass reinforced polymer, which is durable and sturdy. It will surely last a long time even if you frequently use it. Here are its technical specifications. Weight is 0.35 pounds. Dimensional weight is 0.5 pounds. Dimensions are 4 by 2.125 by 10. Grab the Forend pistol grip today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can give your loved gun a great look that everyone will envy. Again, this is Katrina from Dosco Sport. Stay safe and see you in the next review.